Welcome back. Today we're making a Pom Pom ring using pipe cleaners, scissors, and Pom Poms. In episode 2, or the episode where Julianne made banana bread muffins and I made Pom Poms, I taught you how to make a mini Pom Pom. So you can use those instructions to make this Pom Pom for this project, or you can just use a regular store-bought Pom Pom. Okay, so the first step is going to be, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and then you're going to find the rough estimate of how it fits around your finger, and you're going to cut that amount but do a little extra. So then you can tie it. Just tie it so it stays in place. Perfecto. Now I am also going to be making one more ring, so I'm going to need to do another pipe cleaner. So I'm just quickly going to do that. Okay, so now it's time to glue the Pom Poms on. Now, I found that this Pom Pom that I homemade was a little big, so I decided just to chop some stuff off of it. So now it's fine. So now that I have it the size I want, I'm going to glue it on. Now be very careful because these are small, so you can burn yourself easily. So you can use gloves, an adult, tongs. I did none of those, but there, I did it. They're so cute and I love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!